Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix and use Twitter or X on your older devices running older iOS versions like iOS 12, 13, 14, or even iOS 9, 8, 7. Yes, I didn't test it on iOS 7, 8, or 9, but the developer says so. This will benefit all the older devices such as iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, 6 Plus stuck on iOS 12's latest version, or any other device running an older iOS version. The method shown in this video is completely free, and the only purpose of this video is to make these older devices usable. And this video is for educational and informational purposes. Now to begin with the fix, of course, you will have to install the latest compatible version of Twitter or X. We will simply head to the official App Store, simply search for X or Twitter, and you will land here. Now simply hit here on the get or the cloud icon and simply get the latest compatible version. Hit on download, and just in case you don't see the cloud download icon, you can simply get it by following a guide in the description. We will wait for the download to complete. We will go home and you can see it right here. It is now installing. All right, it is now installed. We will first of all see what is the actual issue. I will open it and now I will simply try to log in. When you try to log in, you are seeing this error message and you are unable to log in. Now simply close out of Twitter. Now to fix, simply jailbreak your device using Camera or Check Rain on iOS 12, or if you are on any other version, the appropriate jailbreak guides are also in the description. Once you're jailbroken, you will get Cydia or Celio depending on the jailbreak you use. Open it. Then first of all go to search, and if you are jailbroken with Camera, you will have Celio. Simply get libhooker common first by simply searching for it and then install this package. If you are jailbroken with Checkrain, you will get Cydia. For that, instead of libhooker common, search for substitute and install it. Just in case, also install preference loader. You can simply search for it and install this package. Once these are installed, you are good to go. Now simply open Safari and head to a link in the description to get this Twitter legacy deb file. For these older versions before iOS 15, you will use Twitter legacy rootful. For iOS 15 or higher, you can use Twitter legacy rootless. Simply get it. You will see this screen. Simply open in Celio. Then hit get, queue, and confirm to install this package. Then restart Springboard. Once you're back, now you can open Twitter or X and then simply log in. Here, I will strongly advise you to use a secondary Twitter account or X account rather than your main one, just to be safe on your older devices. I am making this video after testing it for a whole week, 7 days, to make sure it works and you don't have any issues using it. Now let's quickly log in. Moment of truth. Alright, as you can see, we are successfully logged in and Twitter is working just fine. As you can see it right here, you can check out your profile. You can see it right here. Now to make sure that it works, I will simply close it from the app switcher and reopen it. You can see it works without issues. Please note that this Twitter fix comes with known issues. The search page and the quiz won't work. Yes, you can search for profiles and you can also open them without issues, but searching for anything else is not possible. You may not be able to like a tweet or view profiles on some iOS versions or app versions. The banners won't show up at all. Also, I have noticed that the following tab is only working. The For You tab is not working. Yes, you can add a new tweet without issues, just like that. And you can get the dark mode. Now, if you are interested in fixing YouTube or WhatsApp on your older iOS versions, the dedicated guides for these fixes are also in the description. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of